Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Well Miss Markwell, or hello if you're new to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making a quick little sweet sugary snack. Now I have made this video before. I'm going to make the peanut butter cookies again, but this time I'm going to add a little dollop of jam, or in America they say jelly, just to sort of amend it and adapt the recipe. I'm going to make it a little bit quicker than the last video, so if you do want to see the last video, it was a dedication to a subscriber who asked me to make the recipe, so you can have a look for it up there somewhere. And right, so this is going to be a quick video version of it. Peanut butter cookies with jam. Okay, I'm going to get some close-ups. I will see you in a minute. Bye. So we're now going to measure the ingredients. You're going to need 175 grams of caster sugar, 200 grams of smooth peanut butter, or you can use crunchy, it's up to you. For this recipe I'm using smooth. I'm now going to use the creaming in method and mix in the peanut butter with the caster sugar. You're going to really need to work the peanut butter into the caster sugar, but once it's all mixed in, you're then going to need to crack one large egg and give that a quick whisk. So now pour the egg into the bowl, and now it's going to make the mixture quite slimy and almost quite snotty, so you're going to have to really work it in. So once the mixture's all worked in and it becomes quite fluffy like a cloud, you know it's ready. So now break off a small bit of the dough so it's like a cherry-sized tomato in the palm of your hand and roll it and make it smooth, and then place onto a baking tray with baking parchment so the cookie dough won't stick. And then make sure they're evenly spaced so when they cook they won't spread out. And then insert your thumb into the cookie dough and they will crack, so you will need to smooth the edges over. Now take a dollop of strawberry jam, you can use any flavour you wish, and I'm going to use about a half teaspoon and place in the dent you created with your chubby little thumb. And now I'm going to place the cookies into a preheated oven, and I've just added the temperatures on the screen for you. Woo! Look amazing! Right, you can tell when they cook they're nice and caramelised, a darker tone on the edge. And right, we're going to put them on a cooling rack because they are going to be boiling. That jam is going to be so hot. So one of the great things about this recipe is it is gluten free, it has no flour, and it only uses 3 ingredients: your caster sugar, egg and peanut butter. Thank you for watching my food tutorial of peanut butter cookies with jam. It's a nice version of the other peanut butter cookie recipe I did. This one's a bit quicker, hopefully. Nice and easy to follow. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, put the notification bell on for when I next make a video. I haven't made videos for a while. Right, take care and bye for now. Bye.